Today we're going to learn about slope fields. So we're going to start with question number 1 on your worksheet, and you have this nice little grid here that shows us or gives us these nice little dots at each coordinate, and we're given this equation here, dy dx is equal to x plus 1. Now the way we build a slope field is we choose a point. Let's say I go with the point up here. Let's go with 0, 1. What we do is we take a look at our expression here. This is x plus 1. And we plug our x and our y in here. So we're only using the x. X is 0, and 0 plus 1 is 1. So what we do is we draw a little line that has a slope of 1 right through that point. And then we pick another point. Let's say we pick the point -1, 0. Again, we use this, x plus 1. X plus 1 will be 0, so we draw a little line that has a slope of 0. And we keep going. Let's say we choose this point here. That point is -2, 1. So x plus 1 would be -1, and we draw a little line with a slope of -1. And they do start to get steep sometimes. So for example, here we've got the point 1, 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. So slope of 2, I'm just going to draw something that appears to be steeper than this line over here. Then we get to the point 2, 1. 2 plus 1 is 3, so we have to draw something a little bit steeper and then a little bit steeper. So I'm going to fill in the rest, and what is helpful is to look for patterns in your coordinates. So for example, when x is -1, right along here, our slopes will always be 0. So I don't have to calculate each, I'm just going to make little horizontal lines there. Now the pattern's not always vertical, it's different depending on what equation you're given. Now everything along the y-axis should have a slope of 1. Everything here would have a slope of -1. And now fill in these a little steeper. And here what we have is a slope field. Now you may notice that you get this sense of this kind of parabolic behavior, and there is a reason for that. And it is because of our equation here. So I'm going to go to the side, and I'm just going to solve this equation. This is x plus 1. I'll put it over 1. So dy is x plus 1. dx will integrate, and we get y equals 1/2 x squared plus x plus c. So the solution to this equation is this whole family of quadratic functions, which look just like that. So what a slope field does is it indicates your solution to your differential equation, where each of these would be one of your particular solutions with a specific value for c.